very well with the defense. They touch a lot of balls and the teams play, and this is hard because sometimes when you hit the ball, it's hard to play this situation. But congrats for all players.
Thank you, Coach, to Zay. 12 according to attacks, 2 blocks, 3 service cases, 14 digs, and 10 excellent receptions. What can your best performance so far in the UAE? So, how does it feel that you were able to win again?
For me po, I miss playing talaga. Coming from an injury last week is so happy to be back po. And ayun nga po, since short kami sa tao, 11 na lang kami, we embrace every role na binibigay ni Coach and fill in lang talaga kung ano yung makaka-help sa kanila.
Thank you to AC. 20 of 42 attacks, 3 blocks, and 7 digs. So, yung nga, nag-take charge ka nung quick set. So, what can you say na finally won again?
It's good to be back here. Siyempre, masaya yung panalo sa team. Masabi ko lang, thank you sa teammates ko, sa tiwala nila sa akin, at sa tiwala sa akin ng coach. Kasi if hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi naman kami mananalo at hindi ko magagawa yung mga plans na gawa.
Thank you to Lian de Guzman. We have 16 of 86 attacks, including the match winner, 1 block, 13 digs, and 14 receptions. So, ano masasabi mo na yung nga, umalag yung UE, but you girls still able to put this through?
Siyempre, I'm very happy sa pinakita ng team. And nakita ko rin na medyo nag-struggle din kami ng first, second set, second and third set. Then, sabi ko nga sa nila na hindi pwede kami sumabay kasi we have our own pacing and we know kung paano kami maglaro inside the court. And sabi ko sa nila, hindi ito yung tinitrainingan natin. So, kailangan natin maging aggressive pa inside the court and energy and have fun kasi nakita ko medyo naging serious yung first set.
Okay, thank you.